Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'm very excited to be showing you a brand new product line for Heat Press Nation, our new Sublimation face masks. So when you go over to heatpressnation.com, you're going to come right here, you're going to see this banner, go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you to this page where you get to see all of the awesome Sublimation face masks that we have to offer, and our filters. More on those in a second. First, you'll see these two. These are the double layer silk polyester. When we say silk polyester, we mean that they're a little bit thinner. It's going to be lightweight, very easy to wear on the face, and it's available in white and then also in black with a white patch. Both of these are one size fits most. Next, you see here we have they're double layer as well, but these ones are going to have a thicker material, meaning you're going to have, it's going to be a little bit more heavyweight. You're going to have a little bit more protection with that, and it's going to be a little bit more of a substantial material used here. Also available in white and black with a white patch. What's cool about these masks is that they're available in small, medium, and large. Another thing I want to say about all of our face masks is that they do come with free designs. So free designs that you could sublimate onto the face of your mask for free. Free commercial, free personal use, however you want to use them, go ahead and print them up. We're excited to see what you guys are going to be making with your Sublimation face masks. Next, we have our triple layer face masks. Now, on top of the 2 layers of polyester, these have an additional layer of cotton, which makes them very comfortable on your face. And again, the additional layer of cotton adds more filtration, more protection. These ones come in medium and large. Now, if we look over here, you're going to see our Sublicraft Signature face mask. These are also triple layer, 2 layers of poly, 1 of cotton, but these are very special in that they have an adjustable ear loop. So for folks who have to wear these for an extended period of time, it's not putting the strain on your ear, it's allowing you to custom fit the mask to your face. Now these are also one size fits most, but with the adjustable ear loop, you can really get it to fit just about any adult. Now these also come with a pocket. You see that there? A pocket for these 5-ply carbon inserts. Now every mask is going to come with 2 inserts, and you can purchase additional inserts right here. One thing I want to be very clear on, this one that you see right here, it's going to say replacement 5-ply carbon filter for Sublicraft Signature face mask. This particular filter is only going to fit this particular mask. Now right next to it here, let's open this up. We have our Sublicraft adhesive 3-ply filter. Now this is going to be able to fit inside just about any mask. All you do is you take the adhesive strip, you peel off the backing, and you can stick it in pretty much any mask. Again, it fits most standard size masks that you already own, or new masks that you purchase from Heat Press Nation. So again, this filter right here is going to fit pretty much any mask you see, even the Signature. But for the Signature, you really want to be using this one. This filter is exclusive to the Signature. Lastly, we have our Sublicraft face scarf. Completely sublimatable. It's a really great product. It just gives you the full face coverage, and honestly you can make some really cool designs with it. And lastly, we have our HPN heat transfer vinyl face cover. Now you can still use the universal filter in this mask. I would personally recommend it. This is made of a thinner kind of t-shirt material, again for casual coverings, but what's cool about it is you can use heat transfer vinyl to customize this mask. So it's a great product. You can see here, it just applies easily. Just stick it over your ears, and there you go. I want to encourage you, if you're watching this, go to the top of this page. Right here, the Face Mask Buyer's Guide. That's going to have all the information you need to determine which mask is going to be best for you and your needs. Now, because of the nature of this product, we're not able to accept any returns. So be sure to check this out. Make sure the mask you're purchasing is going to work best for your needs. We also have more information on the filter right here, so you can get all the details. One thing I do want to say is that these masks are not medical grade, so they're not recommended for medical use. These are what you would call for casual use. But even if you're not in the medical field, or you're not in a position where you require medical grade protection, with these filters you can still protect yourself as much as possible. Your health and safety is important to us. That's what we're very proud to be offering these brand new Sublimation face masks. Alright, well that's going to do it for me here at Heat Press Nation. If you have any questions about any of these products, please feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894. You can also email us at heatpressnation.com. Thank you.